Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Yo-sha and I'm the go-to channel for all things real. So this quick video is just going to tell you how you can make some extra money while you're at home. This is legitimate. It's something you can do from your phone or your computer, and these are my top 2 sites and survey apps that can help you make some money via PayPal. So share this video if you find this information useful. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Tell a friend that's at home right now and they are low on cash and needing extra money. This is for the people that were laid off recently. You're at home, or if you're still working but money is low, honey, this right here, this information right here is going to be something that you can do to supplement the income that you already have or the income that you are missing. This is not something that is going to replace your job, but it can put gas in your car. It can be grocery money. It can be money for the kids, whatever you decide to do with it. So the first app and the best app that I'm going to recommend is the QMEE app. The QMEE app is basically an app that has surveys on it and polls. You make money from your phone. I usually use it on my phone. I recently learned you can also use it from the computer, and the phone surveys are typically between, I would say, 5 and 15 minutes. They pay between maybe like 20 cents and $1.50. They do have more higher paying surveys in the dollar area, which is really good. If you're a person that takes surveys, and you know some of the survey sites like to give you like 50 cents or 35 cents, and it takes a while to build up to get to $10 or $15. On here, I've actually been able to make $20 with 10 of the dollars being made in one day. So if you're homebound right now, you're bored, you need something to do, you got your phone in your hand, I recommend the QMEE app. Not only can you use it on your smartphone, but you can also use it on desktop. The desktop option gives you visibility to more surveys, including ones that allow you to use your webcam, and the webcam ones typically pay a little more. The other thing that I love about QMEE is that there is no cash out minimum. No minimum. So you could literally try it out for a couple of days. Whatever surveys that you're able to take, if you don't like it and you've made $3, $2, 50 cents, you can cash that out. I will link the playlist above where I talk about all the different things that I do in full so you can research individually. But most survey sites require you to make $10 or $15 before you can get the money. QMEE doesn't do that. So if you're the type of person that you're trying to come up with an extra 20 or 30 to get to work, and you have about a week's time to come up with it, you could literally use this site and cash it out, put it in your PayPal account, and you're good to go. So if you're interested in that, I will link down my personal referral link. If you use this link, then I will get a commission. So hook your girl up. If you don't want to, that's fine. You can literally Google QMEE and it will come up on Google, and you can do your own research and sign up without it. But I just wanted to share this so that if you are in need of some extra gas money, food money, stream money, whatever, you can use it. Now, the next site that I'm going to tell y'all about is PAIDVIEWPOINT.com. PAIDVIEWPOINT.com is the first site that I used to make money doing surveys. What I love about PAIDVIEWPOINT.com is that their surveys are quick and straight to the point. The best way to make money there is to check it every day like you would do any social media platform, and then sign in for the surveys. Now, their surveys range between 10 cents and $1.50. Most of the surveys are only going to pay you between 10 cents and 75 cents, but it will only take you a few minutes of your time. So you should be able to cash out in a couple of weeks to a month, maybe a little longer. It just depends on how often you check. And they will email you sometimes at odd times in the morning, the night, to tell you about higher paying surveys. But if you miss it, when you get to it, it will only pay you 10 cents. They also pay via PayPal. You can opt for an Amazon gift card. You can opt for iTunes and things like that. But I like my money green, so I like to do the PayPal option. So I recommend that. You can invite your friends. You do get paid a percentage for your friends' cash out. So I will be sharing my personal link here if you do not already have an account. please use the link. It will help me out. But again, if you don't want to use my link, you want to do your own research and then sign up separately, it's totally fine. The whole purpose of me sharing is just to help you. So if you are interested in more content that tells you about how you can make money online, taking surveys with your YouTube channel, doing things online, then you definitely want to subscribe, and you want to check out the playlist that I'm linking in the card above and in my description box. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.